students. So last classes we are discussing about the this classification of forest, deforestation, remedies of forest conservation, wildlife diversity and wildlife extinction, reasons for destruction of wildlife, etc. like that. And we are moving to the next portion, that is measures of preservation of wildlife, right? So the first point is, it is necessary to change our attitude and perception towards the forest. We consider it as a source of unlimited income, which is a mistake. It must be preserved. Only then the natural habitats for wildlife can be saved. Means we have to change our attitude towards the forest. Means you are thinking the forest is just so many trees are there, no nothing to see in that forest. So like that, your perception, your mindset is like that. So means you don't think like that, because in the forest so many natural things are available. Means so many animals can live, so many birds species etc can live, so many what foods are getting, so many woods are getting, means firewoods. So like that you have to think. So we have to preserve, it must be preserved. Only then natural habitats of wildlife can be saved. So then only this wildlife can be saved. Second one, maintain the balance of number between the herbivorous and the carnivores in the forest. For the steps like maintaining the water sources in the forest and restriction on grazing domestic animals should be taken. Means maintain balance of number between herbivorous and carnivore. Herbivorous means what? Means flesh eating animals, and non-flesh means grass eating animals also there. So for these steps like maintaining the water sources, the forest, and restriction on grazing of domestic animals should be taken. Means let them graze in the forest. You don't want to disturb their to go their place and disturb. So that is the second point. Then there should be a strict laws. Means you have seen this National Geographic and this Discovery channels and all. They are not going over there. Means they are installing the cameras over there, and they are finding zooming from the studio. Whatever, they are not disturbing any of the animals. Means they are shooting the videos while through the installation of the cameras in the forest, not directly taking the videos. So there should be strict laws ban hunting. Those laws should be implemented very harshly. Heavy punishment should be inflicted for illegal mining in forest area, and a fine should be imposed. Means there should be a legal, means law should be implemented for the against the hunting. Those laws should be implemented by harshly. Means harsh laws should be created. Strict laws should be created against the hunting. So third one, it is necessary, it is third or fourth, sorry, it is fourth. It is necessary to make such arrangement which would not disturb the animals during their precurative period. Precurative period means what? Means sometimes these animals maybe there are seasons for this animal. This means sometimes these animals may be violent. So at that time we don't want to disturb that animals. If we are disturbing, they will come out and attack the human beings. So like that, it is necessary to make such an arrangement which would not disturb the animals during their precreative period. Means that type of time we cannot disturb the period. If we are studying, suppose we are playing, your mother is telling that you come and study, so that is disturbance to you, right? So like that, some period was there for the animals also. So that time we cannot disturb the animals. If we are disturbing, they will come out of the forest. So then next is, a study should be made about the likely effects of fisheries, forest gathering or tourism in the forest, and steps should be taken accordingly. Means you have to make an study, make a survey about the fisheries, forest gatherings. Means forest, how many peoples are gathered. Gatherings are there. Means we are going for the picnic inside the forest, like that. For so many gatherings are the tourism in the forest. Steps should be taken. Means should be precautions to be taken. Means pollution should not be happen. The government should assure that pollution should not be happen. So that is it. Next, program should be arranged to bring widespread awareness in the society. Program should be arranged in the widespread awareness in the society. Means every program should be arranged. Previous last year we have seen one mahols of the like that program should be there to widespread awareness, to create awareness. That type of program should be there. Then if the wildlife protection force is inactive, then the pressure should be brought to on them, and this work should be given priority. If the wildlife protection force is inactive, then the pressure should be brought in them, and this work should be given priority. Means this wildlife protection authority was there. We have to give more importance. They have, if they are not working properly, we have to call them and inform them. Means like this is happened. So that is it. Next things to know. Ganga river dolphin, means this is a species under the extinction. The Ganga river dolphin found in the river Brahmaputra Ganga is a freshwater species. Generally, I will read only, I will not explain. In the river having deep and calm water flow, it is found in the Ganga river, which flows through one of the densely populated regions of the world. Due to the release of dirty water in the river, sedimentation due to deforestation, fisheries navigation in the river, industrial waste, etc., danger has been created against existence. Apart from Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers, there are few such dolphins left in Chambal river. It becomes to the surface very often to breathe, making susu-like sound. So it is also known by other name like swans, suzu or sus. It is also found in the rivers of neighbors of Nepal and Bangladesh. At present, the existence of Ganga river dolphin is in danger. So this species, means this dolphin is going to be an extinction because of the pollution. Like, which are the pollutions here? Industrial waste, sedimentation due to deforestation, fisheries navigation in the river. Because of due to these reasons, this dolphin life is under danger. So next is wildlife protection scheme. So some schemes are implemented in India to protect, means certain animals are under the extinction. So for protecting that animals, government has implemented certain schemes. I am going to explain that only. Tiger project. As per the one estimate, there were more than 40,000 tigers in India in the beginning of the 20th century. Due to the unrestricted illegal hunting, deforestation, there was a big danger of the existence of the tigers. In such circumstances, this project to save tigers was started in 1971. Under the project, a series of steps are taken to keep their natural habitat protected and to maintain ecological balance national level. Till now, this project is implemented in about 44 regions. So how many regions? Underline that. Till now, this project is implemented under the 44 regions. So up to this only, we will discuss next portions by tomorrow. So read the textbook carefully. You don't hesitate to read. If you are not reading, you understand the situation and read the textbook and create your own question answers, or underline all these things. What are these measures of preservation of wildlife? These all things are very important. This is very important chapter, and this up to this you make your notes also, prepare your notes and do the assignments. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day and stay home, stay safe. Okay, bye.